It's cold as hell out here, and my car is covered in snow and ice. So I'm going to test this red-hot De-icer, supposed ice melter. The car's not on, and it's cold. That way you'll see how good this test will be. Normally the car would be on, which will help if your car has remote start and can turn on the front heater. But I don't have an automatic rear defroster, unlike the front. Let's see what the temperature is. Currently 0. Feels like negative 26, so I'm going to try to do this quickly. So, let's work fast. That's right, folks. That is a negative sign. Wow. Negative 29. Jeez. About 3.5 inches. Wow. Now, the instructions state to first brush off as much snow as possible. A month ago, I tried spraying this stuff with all the snow on it, and it didn't really help. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see that failed video, and if so, I'll post it. But anyway, if you want, you can also scrape some of this ice. As you can see, there is some stubborn ice on the rear glass. So this is the Red Hot De-icer. I'll put a link of this and others like this in the description. Now, quite important, on this spray bottle there are 2 settings. One is for stream, which is for heavy thick ice, and spray is for light ice. I personally think you need more force, so I would suggest really only using the stream setting, but to each his own. Go ahead and spray it or stream it, whatever. Now, this only costs like a few bucks, but I'll leave another video in the description testing a homemade solution, which consists of rubbing alcohol and water. Let's see. Anyway, let's see how well this stuff works. Feels nice and smooth. Yeah, this is okay. And I think it can be left in the car. So I'll put this in the description so you can check it out. I think I'll do a bigger test on some other de-icers. But anyway, check out the homemade de-icer as well. It's all in the description. Let me know what you think of this in the comments. And please share if you have any other ideas. Like, subscribe. I'm gonna go back inside and have a hot drink. Hope this helped. Later.